How can I prepare fenugreek water at home?
Hello there. Today, we are going to learn how to make fenugreek water at home. Fenugreek water is a fantastic, natural remedy that helps in weight loss, improves digestion, and controls blood sugar levels. So, let's get started with our simple and easy process to prepare fenugreek water at home.
What you will need.
Before we start, let's gather all the ingredients needed for our fenugreek water. It's a very simple and easy to find list. 1. Fenugreek seeds, 2 tablespoons. 2. Water, 1 to 2 cups. Also, ensure you have a glass jar or a bottle to store your fenugreek water.
How to prepare fenugreek water.
After we have gathered our ingredients, let's move on to the preparation. 1. Soak the seeds. Take 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds and soak them in 1 to 2 cups of water. Remember to use clean water. 2. Rest for a while. Leave the soaked seeds overnight or for about 8 to 10 hours. 3. Strain the seeds. The next morning, strain the water into a glass. The fenugreek seeds will have released their nutrients into the water. 4. Drink it up. Your fenugreek water is ready. It is advisable to drink it first thing in the morning for the best health benefits. Remember, you can save the soaked fenugreek seeds for your next batch, or you can use them in your cooking.
What are the benefits of fenugreek water?
Now that you have your fenugreek water ready, let's talk about why you should drink it. Fenugreek water is packed with health benefits. It helps in weight loss, improves digestion, controls blood sugar levels, promotes liver health, and provides good skin and hair health. It's a natural and healthy addition to your daily routine. That's how easy it is to prepare fenugreek water at home. With its numerous health benefits, it's a great addition to your daily routine. We hope you found this guide helpful. Stay healthy, stay fit, and see you in our next video.